It wasn't like there was a big bang moment that made us successful. We just continued to practice the skills we had practiced at TCW. We continued to have good, steady results. Bruce's, results were exceptional. We started Oaktree in '95, and there was a crisis in '01 that we did a good job in, and so forth. But it wasn't, there wasn't a turning point or an inflection point. If you want to look at a moment, I think the most important thing was that, we had the tech bubble, internet bubble of '98, '99, early 2000, and then it burst in mid 2000. And the stock market, the S&P, was down in 2000 and in 2001 and 2002. So that was the first 3-year decline of the S&P since the Great Depression, 1939. And so people kind of fell out of love with the stock market. The Fed cut interest rates to combat the recession that was taking place. And interest rates were so low that they fell out of love with bonds. And so they needed something. First, they tried hedge funds. And then they tried private equity. And these things developed the following. And from that moment, let's say 04, 05, 06, the area called alternative investing was born. There was no name alternative investing before that. It was a name that was arrived at to describe things other than stocks and bonds. And so everybody in 05 says, hey, let's do something called alternative investing. And guess what? We were there.